so many times until it's crammed into your head. Till you know every word that you don't even understand. Play it so many times until it's crammed into your head. Till you know every word that you don't even understand. And you can only speak the truth if you're connected to the divine. There must be something we can do to breach the walls of lies. There must be something we can prove to reach across the line. Cause nobody believes the fool that speaks it all the time. I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio. Radio, 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 radio. I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio. Radio, 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 radio. Nah, the radio won't touch it, cause they know what it is. They say that I'm crossing boundaries when I talk about the kids. And when I mention Finkelstein or all the things he said, or how Dr. Dre's aneurysm proof he got the chip, y'all don't wanna hear about how Celine Dion drink blood, or Madonna soda, Walter Cronkite on the butt, telling us to follow Lucifer and Hillary because they plan the new world order and it's barely just begun. It's why Mariah sold her sister or her body and her mom. It's why Jay-Z and Beyonce let the detail take the fall. It's why Richard Allen Jones was caught at Bill Gates' home. And if you even try and doubt me, just let Facebook check it out. Copy down the lyrics then and post them on your wall. You'll find these bricks of truth and being silenced by the law. It's bigger than R. Kelly, Ali Maxon took the fall. She pointed out the Clintons and the Rothschilds. I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio. Yo, Bo, where you at?
I think he ran away from responsibility. Somebody better tell him to hurry up.
I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio.
Oh, well, we about to play his verse. Y'all just listen on in.
Radio, 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 radio.
Now listen.
Spread the truth, they try to hide. Try to find me with your lies. Woody Allen did it too. When they never gave him time, they let Elvis shake his pelvis, but his wife was only 14. Trinity Lou was a little worse, but it's the same thing. Except just can't accept them like every founding father had a baby by a slave underage. That his father 3 pills made a better president. They by the center, say the truth, then they kill it, make them hear a God.
I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio. Radio, 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 radio. I said all I wanna do is get the truth across the radio. Radio.
You ready? You wanna try this? Appreciate y'all putting up with me. I know it kills the fucking joint. Appreciate you, my brother. I've never done this live on her. This is the first two. Happy Halloween, everyone. Appreciate y'all. It's technically the end of my tour. We just got back. Don't let them take your guns. All the presidents want to take your guns. Pull up, and pull up where he stands and make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. I said pull up where he stands and make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. I said FAFO, two-way, let's go. Brandon got the 3% ready on the wrist. 1009, we got the street steady on the pistol. You best prepare for your because we gon' bring the missile. Not in how we stand, together they gon' fall. Watch us isolate the problem, take the highest of them all. We don't care about the rank when you acting but alone. Best believe it, we gon' see this through and you gon' meet our God. I got no problem telling you to leave the friends alone. I fuck them again. Whatever. Sing the song and the oh man, I'm good. Thank you. Make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. Pull up where he stands. Make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. I wanna find out it's everybody's anthem. I said, I wanna find out it's everybody's anthem. I said, I'm trying to find out it's everybody's anthem. Yeah, we proud to be American. We got the truck around.
Gotta love a pretty girl that tastes sexy, girl knows how to pull the trigger, yeah, smiles when she does it. She got a bust of letters, but she measuring up. No dress, wearing nothing, though she feeling the good. Got a bitch for the moon, and she feeling it too. When
concentrating, she don't care when she shoot.
Hey, pull up
Where he stands and make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. Pull up where he stands and make this motherfucker fight these bullets with his hands. I said fuck around and find out it's everybody's anthem. I said fuck around and find out it's everybody's anthem. We said fuck around and find out it's everybody's anthem. Yeah, we proud to be American, about to drop a hammer. Pull up where he stands and make this motherfucker
It's over.
fight these bullets with his hands.
Shout out to my guy Acolyte. I'm not gonna play him right now. Shout out to my guy Big Boy Money, Ray Day, on the back, Trill.
Everybody's anthem, yeah, we proud to be American, about to drop a hammer.